Hello Ride-On people. So I have my 2022 Ducati Multistrada V4S. It has blind spot monitoring to identify cars from the side and the rear, and active cruise control to help avoid hitting anything in front of you. What it can't do, of course, is stop somebody running in the back of you. So I want to improve the visibility of the bike from behind, and today I'm going to put a little wrap on the rear panniers. So this is the wrap that I'm going to use. It's black in daylight, but the light will probably give it a slight shimmer to indicate how much it will illuminate come the night time. And I'm going to stick it on the back of the pannier, just here in this square. Now the height of it is consistent with the height of my tape, but this angle here actually bends slightly outwards from top to bottom, and this is also curved as well. So I've just made a template literally out of blue sticky tape. I've just taped it on in situ, and then I will peel this off, put it on top of the black tape, cut it out, and hopefully I'll have a perfect template to fit on there. So I now have it placed nicely on top, and I'm just going to cut it out, remove the blue tape, and then fix it to the pannier. Well, I had to actually shorten it by the very slightest amount, but you can see its reflective qualities are there. And if you step back outdoors, you wouldn't notice it. It looks just pretty much matte black. When you get up close, you can see its reflective nature compared with the rest of the pannier. And at night, that should show up pretty well, I think. Hey you, if you want to become one of the Ride-On people, don't forget to subscribe. Ride often, ride carefully, ride on.